Hey guys, it's Jan, and I thought I would show you this little project that I did today. I just sat down with my jelly plate and made a whole bunch of little prints just on one of the small jelly plates. And you know, I think sometimes you just need to take a day of creative play and just see what you come up with. And I had the best time. And I ended up with all these little sheets, and I thought, oh, well, maybe I'll make a little journal. And so the last thing I did was I printed a couple of pieces of muslin on the jelly plate and decided to use that for my cover. So super, super, super easy. But I thought maybe just if somebody encouraged you to go try something that you haven't done in a while, get one of your forgotten friends out and play, and you just don't know what you will end up with. I really just wanted to do some creative play, and I ended up with this little journal, and I thought I would just show it to you really quickly. I added a couple of watercolor pages that I collaged and stamped on, but again, because it's so small, from start to finish, this probably took me maybe, you know, setting up the gel plate and cleaning it up and doing all of that. I probably have 2.5, 3 hours in this project. I just sewed it down the center to put the signature into my journal. This was not something that I wanted to put a lot of time into, but I just think it is so stinking cute. And I love the colors. I loved, I backed some of the pages with some, what do you call this? Quilting fabric. I think some of it is by Tim Holt. Some of it is just from my stash. But it's just fun. And I think I may put this out on my desk just to remind me that play is good. Just used one of the little color strips from the side of the fabric. And then my closure is just a little piece of gauze and a button. So anyway, I hope you enjoy. I hope that you will try something similar and tag me. I'd love to see what you make. Thanks.